You didn't find this video. It found you. These gadgets ship to real addresses, hide in plain sight, and exist right now. Stay through number 1, because what you will see there is probably sitting somewhere near you already. Every gadget on this list is real and widely available. 22. Security tag magnet removers. Walk into any clothing store and you will see those chunky anti-theft tags clamped onto jackets and shoes. Retailers remove them using a powerful magnetic detacher behind the counter. But here is what most people do not know. That exact tool is sold openly online. Retailers buy them in bulk. Tailors use them to remove forgotten tags on second-hand clothing. They pop virtually every standard security tag in seconds. Contact-free. No tools required. 21. Uniden Bearcat BCC125AT. This little handheld device fits comfortably in a jacket pocket and it listens. The Uniden Bearcat BC125AT is a police scanner that receives live radio frequencies from law enforcement, fire departments, emergency medical services, and aviation channels. Storm chasers carry it into severe weather. Preppers rely on it when cell networks go down. Journalists have broken major stories using scanners before any mainstream outlet picked up the signal. In most of the United States, owning and using a scanner is completely legal. Transmitting on those frequencies without authorization is a federal crime. Big difference. 20. Magnetic micro earpieces. These are smaller than your thumbnail. So small that you need a magnet held near your jaw to extract one from your ear canal. No wire, no visible hardware. Just a tiny audio receiver sitting completely invisible inside your ear, while someone on the other end whispers directly into it. Theater performers have used them for cue prompts. Medical professionals have used them during high-pressure procedures. But these same devices have been confiscated in exam halls across the world, used to feed answers in real time to students sitting in silence, looking perfectly calm, hearing everything. 19. Real-time voice changers. You start a call. Within 20 milliseconds, your voice is someone else. A teenager sounds like a middle-aged professional. A woman sounds like a man. These devices process and transform your voice in real time with zero perceptible delay. Content creators use them for character performances. Privacy-conscious individuals use them to protect their identities on calls with strangers. They have appeared in podcast production, online gaming, and customer service anonymization. They have also appeared in fraud investigations across multiple countries. Same technology, completely different direction. 18. Universal handcuff keys. One key. Roughly 90% of standard handcuff models worldwide, including popular law enforcement brands, use a near-identical locking mechanism. This key opens most of them. Escape artists carry one as part of their act. Security trainers use them to demonstrate vulnerability during hands-on sessions. Some law enforcement officers actually keep one as a backup in case a primary key is lost in a struggle. 17. Stun gun phone cases. From the outside, this looks like an ordinary smartphone case. Same profile, same texture, but press the right spot, and it delivers a powerful electric shock. Self-defense instructors have cited the discretion as genuinely useful for people in high-risk environments. The weapon is completely invisible until the moment it is not. The problem is they are banned outright in several US states, multiple European countries, and are impossible for standard security scanners to flag without a physical search. That invisibility is the entire point. 16. Police-style LED. Full light bar, wailing siren. The car in front of you starts pulling over before your brain even processes what is happening. These complete police-style emergency light and siren kits are sold legally as off-road use, film production, or authorized volunteer equipment. Volunteer firefighters in rural areas actually use them with proper government authorization. because impersonating emergency vehicles is a serious felony in virtually every jurisdiction. 15. Spy camera glasses. These look like ordinary glasses with slightly thicker frames. Nothing unusual. But inside the temples sits a 1080p camera with up to 4 hours of battery life, recording exactly what your eyes see in real time. Investigative journalists have worn these to document public misconduct. Parents have used them during custody disputes to capture evidence. They have been cited in workplace safety investigations and in documentation of harassment. They have also appeared in corporate espionage cases where sensitive information was recorded inside boardrooms with zero visible equipment on the table. 14. Household items disguised as spy cameras. Alarm clocks, smoke detectors, USB wall chargers, air fresheners. Every single one of these is a functioning consumer product, and every single one is also available with a hidden 1080p camera, motion detection, night vision, and live remote streaming built directly inside. Homeowners use them to catch package thieves on porches. Parents install them to monitor caregivers. But the same device placed in a room where someone has a reasonable expectation of privacy has resulted in criminal charges, civil lawsuits, and destroyed relationships. 13. Power outlet hidden cameras. This takes it one level further. A fully functional wall outlet faceplate with an operational hidden camera embedded directly in the plate. It powers your devices normally. It blends into every room in every building. And it streams live to any authorized device through an app. Home security professionals have called this one of the cleanest covert installations available. Privacy advocates call it one of the most concerning consumer products on the market. 12. Lawmate PV RC400UW4 Key fob camera. It looks like a car key fob. The buttons work. The remote actually unlocks doors, but inside is a 4K ultra-high-definition camera recording everything in front of it with no indicator light, no sound, and no visible lens to the naked eye. Professional investigators use this during authorized surveillance operations. Insurance fraud detection teams have carried one into interviews and caught falsified injury claims on camera. Placed on a table during a business meeting, it captures everything without leaving a single trace of equipment behind. Number 6 is going to reframe how you think about every car you have ever owned. 11. Concealed blade jewelry. A lipstick tube that opens into a blade. A ring with a hidden cutting edge folded into the band. Women traveling in high-risk regions have cited these as practical personal protection in places where conventional weapons are unavailable or illegal to carry. These items bypass standard detection in environments where weapons are explicitly prohibited, not because of an oversight in security, but because they are designed specifically to do exactly that. 10. Electric lockpick devices. Locksmiths have used electric pick guns for decades. The tool vibrates a row of pins inside a lock cylinder at high speed until the mechanism gives way, often in under 30 seconds, even on locks that would take a skilled manual picker several minutes. Certified locksmiths use them on legitimate service calls. Lock sport competitors use them in organized events. Security auditors use them to test commercial building vulnerabilities. In many places, they are entirely legal to own. 9. Spy GPS trackers. Coin-sized, 30-day battery life. Real-time location updates every 10 seconds delivered directly to your phone. Fleet managers track company vehicles with these legally across thousands of routes. Parents monitor newly licensed teenage drivers. Authorized private investigators use them with proper legal documentation. The exact same device attached to someone's vehicle without their knowledge or consent is a criminal offense in most jurisdictions, and it has been used in stalking cases, domestic abuse situations, and unauthorized surveillance operations. Same hardware, wildly different legal reality. 8. RT LSDR. and suddenly you can receive radio frequencies across a massive part of the electromagnetic spectrum, including unencrypted aircraft communications, weather satellite broadcasts, and signals from various wireless devices in your vicinity. Aviation hobbyists use it to track commercial flights in real time on their laptops. Amateur radio operators decode weather imagery from orbiting satellites. Cybersecurity researchers have used it publicly to expose dangerous weaknesses in wireless infrastructure. 7. High-powered handheld lasers. Industrial lasers cut through metal. Surgical lasers perform precision eye procedures. The same photon physics in a handheld consumer device produces enough concentrated energy at range to permanently damage an unprotected eye in a fraction of a second and ignite certain materials at a distance. Astronomy enthusiasts use calibrated versions to point out stars during night sky events. Researchers use them in controlled lab environments with full protective gear and safety protocols. 6. Car key signal relay devices. 2 small devices. No physical contact. No broken window. No alarm triggered. One device amplifies the passive signal from your key fob inside your home. The second device relays it to a receiver near your car, which then unlocks and starts your vehicle because it thinks the key is right there. Security researchers demonstrated this attack publicly to force automakers to respond. Multiple manufacturers have since redesigned their keyless entry systems specifically because of this demonstrated vulnerability. That is actually how consumer protection sometimes works. Someone exposes the flaw publicly until the industry is forced to fix it. 5. Advanced night vision units. Not long ago, image intensifier night vision technology was a classified military hardware. Today, you can purchase monoculars and head-mounted units with comparable performance for a few $100s through standard retail channels. Wildlife researchers track nocturnal animals with them. Search and rescue teams locate missing persons in total darkness. Hunters use them in jurisdictions where it is legally permitted. The barrier that once existed was cost. The capability was always there. What changed is who can access it. 4. Compact thermal imagers. Firefighters use thermal cameras to navigate smoke-filled buildings and locate survivors. Electricians use them to detect dangerous hotspots inside walls before they become fires. Search teams find missing people in the dark using their heat signatures. For under $300, that same capability now clips onto your smartphone. You can detect heat signatures through drywall, see warm bodies in complete darkness, and identify overheating electronics inside sealed equipment. The applications in professional and emergency work are genuinely remarkable. The surveillance implications are equally significant. 3. Stealth surveillance drones. These are not the buzzing consumer drones at your local park. These are near-silent, autonomous, thermal-equipped units, small enough to hover outside an upper-floor window at night without being heard from inside the room. Security firms deploy them for authorized perimeter monitoring of sensitive facilities. Film production companies use them for aerial tracking shots in environments where a standard drone would be too disruptive. They have also appeared in documented corporate espionage cases. Their near silence is a deliberate engineering feature, and that distinction matters enormously depending on what address they are flying around. 2. Proxmark 3. This device reads, clones, and emulates the contactless card signals used in hotel key cards, office access badges, transit passes, and some contactless payment cards. Certified security professionals carry it into authorized penetration tests to assess whether a building's access control system can be spoofed. Ethical hackers have used it to publicly expose critical vulnerabilities in institutional security infrastructure across the world, forcing upgrades to more secure card systems. It is also the exact reason cybersecurity professionals recommend RFID blocking wallets with such urgency. The Proxmark exposed that the threat is real, not theoretical. 1. The OMG cable. You are holding what looks like a perfectly ordinary USB charging cable. Standard length. Apple or USB-C connector. Works exactly as expected. Your phone charges. Nothing unusual on your screen. But embedded inside the USB connector head is a fully operational Wi-Fi-enabled microcontroller that can execute keystrokes on your device, inject commands, exfiltrate your data, and connect to a remote operator, all while the cable continues to charge your phone normally and your screen shows absolutely nothing unusual. Cybersecurity red teams now use it in authorized penetration tests to train defense teams to detect exactly this kind of threat. This is why security professionals refuse to use any charging cable they did not personally purchase and verify. One cable. Full access. No visible trace. If this video showed you something you genuinely did not know before, hit like right now. Subscribe, because this channel covers the technology most people never find out about. Share this with someone who thinks they already know everything about personal security. And drop in the comments which gadget shocked you the most. We read every single one.